Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Are you tired of food sticking to your pans, making cooking a chore and cleanup a nightmare? Today, we're diving deep into the CAROTE 21-piece pots and pans set, a collection promising to revolutionize your kitchen experience with its white granite non-stick surface. This isn't just another cookware set, it's a comprehensive package designed for both the novice cook and the seasoned chef. Let's talk about what's in the box, because 21 pieces is a lot. You're getting a 9.5-inch fry pan and an 11-inch fry pan, perfect for searing, sautéing, and those morning omelets. Then there are saucepans, a 2-quart and a 3-quart, both with lids, essential for sauces, grains, and warming up leftovers. For larger dishes like stews or soups, you've got a 4-quart stockpot and a more substantial 6.5-quart stockpot, again, both with lids. A 4.5-quart sauté pan with a lid is also included, a versatile piece for stir-fries and one-pan meals. But that's not all, the set is rounded out with cooking utensils, a ladle, a slotted spatula, and tongs, along with a steamer insert and 4 pan protectors to keep your new cookware pristine when stacked. Now, on to the star of the show, the non-stick performance. CAROTE boasts a top-level, harder non-stick granite material with what they call 10x Ultra non-stick performance. This is a pretty bold claim, and in our testing, the results were impressive. Food, even delicate items like eggs and fish, slid right off the surface with minimal to no oil. This means healthier cooking with less fat and a significantly easier cleanup. No more scraping burnt bits or soaking pans overnight. A quick wipe with a paper towel or a rinse under water is usually all it takes, as the company recommends hand washing for longevity. The construction itself is reinforced die-cast aluminum. This material offers a great balance. It's durable enough to withstand daily use, promising long-term reliability, yet it remains surprisingly lightweight. This makes maneuvering the pans around the kitchen, especially larger pots, much more convenient. The extended bottom design across all the pieces is a crucial detail. It ensures rapid and even heating, which is vital for consistent cooking results. And yes, this set is fully compatible with all cooktops, including Induction, which is a huge plus for many modern kitchens. Beyond the immediate cooking benefits, CAROTE also includes a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. This provides peace of mind, knowing that if any quality issues arise, you have recourse. It's a good gesture that shows the company stands behind its product. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 21-piece set offers incredible value, providing almost every piece of cookware you'd need for a home kitchen. The ultra non-stick performance is genuinely excellent, making cooking and cleaning effortless. The even heating and lightweight aluminum construction are also significant advantages. The inclusion of utensils and pan protectors is a thoughtful touch, making it a truly complete set right out of the box. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the die-cast aluminum is lightweight and heats well, it might not feel as robust as heavier, cast iron or stainless steel cookware to some users. The recommendation for hand washing, while making cleaning easier, might be a slight inconvenience for those who prefer to toss everything into the dishwasher. Lastly, while the granite coating is durable, like all non-stick surfaces, it will eventually degrade with excessive use of metal utensils or abrasive cleaning, so treating it with care is essential for maximizing its lifespan. In conclusion, the CAROTE 21-piece pots and pans set is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a complete, high-performing, and aesthetically pleasing cookware collection. The non-stick capabilities are outstanding, the set is incredibly comprehensive, and the overall value is undeniable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home cook, this set will make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. Link in the description.